Hey everyone, and congratulations on making it through all 4 lessons of table rate shipping for WooCommerce. Give yourself a virtual high five. You've officially leveled up your WooCommerce shipping game. We covered a lot, didn't we? From understanding the basics of table rate shipping and planning your strategy, to setting up shipping classes and zones. Then we dove deep into defining rate settings and adding shipping rules, and capped it all off with those powerful advanced features like merging shipping and handling fees. Remember, table rate shipping gives you the power to customize your shipping costs based on a ton of factors: destination, weight, item count, even those handy shipping classes you created. You can now merge shipments, add handling fees, and really fine-tune everything to fit your business perfectly. No more shipping headaches. Now go forth and conquer those shipping costs. Experiment, test, and don't be afraid to get creative with your rules. And hey, if you run into any snags, remember to check out the plugin resource name documentation or drop a question in the comments below. We're here to help. Thanks for joining me on this journey. I hope you enjoyed learning about table rate shipping as much as I enjoyed teaching it. Now, go optimize those shipping rates and make some happy customers. See you in the next course.